Previous video I discussed about the oxides of nitrogen. In this video I am going to discuss about oxyacids of nitrogen. See, the 15 group element like the nitrogen or the phosphorus, they form the oxyacids. What the meaning may be? Oxygen also should be there along with the hydrogen, because anything that gives the hydrogen, they are all acid according to the Arrhenius theory. So just here HNO2 nitrous acid, HNO3 nitric acid, H2O2 hyponitrous acid, this is nitrous acid, this is nitric acid. See, among this, just here, very important is the nitric acid. Other things also important, but very important compound. Now, same way, phosphorus also, H3PO2 hypophosphorus acid, H3PO3 phosphorus acid, H3PO4 orthophosphoric acid, etc. That also can form oxyacids. P double bond O, OH, OH, OH. So these are all oxyacids only, because this hydrogen can be given out, this hydrogen also can be given out, this hydrogen also can be given out. So it's acid, and there's oxygen also. For the theory point of view, I am going to discuss the nitric acid in detail, not the HNO2, not the H2N2O2. For the theory purpose. Of nitric acid. In this, I am going to discuss about the lab method, where we are going for small quantity preparation, industrial method, where we are going for the large quantities. So, first we go for lab method of preparation. See, in the lab method, what we do is sodium nitrate or potassium nitrate is treated with sulfuric acid. I am going to get HNO3 along with NaHSO4, sodium bisulfate. If the potassium is there, I am going to get HNO3 plus potassium bisulfate or potassium hydrogen sulfate. How exactly reaction? NaNO3 plus HSO4. HSO4 I can write like this. So this will be removed. So I am going to get NaHSO4 as one of the product, and this HNO3. This is how the reaction takes place. This is sulfuric acid only. HSO4 is H2SO4 only. Preparation is done by Ostwald process. Note it down. And as I mentioned earlier, ammonia preparation by Haber process, nitric acid preparation by Ostwald process, sulfuric acid by contact process. Among these three, one is 100% guaranteed for your annual exam. See, in the Ostwald process, what you do is ammonia is oxidized by atmospheric oxygen. NH3 plus O2, but in presence of platinum rhodium catalyst maintained at 500 Kelvin and 9 bar pressure. To what? It's oxidized to nitric oxide along with the formation of water molecule. Equation is not balanced, write down the balance equations. 4, 5, 4, 6. This is a balance equation. Just see that. And ammonia is a gas, oxygen is a gas, nitric oxide is a gas, this is a liquid. Now, this nitric oxide form again combines with more of oxygen gives nitrogen dioxide gas. 2, NO2 form is absorbed in water to give HNO3, nitric oxide. NO2 gas, this is liquid, this is liquid, this is gas. Nitric oxide form is pumped back. To the second step, because ammonia on oxidation gives nitric oxide, then the nitric oxide again combines oxygen gives nitrogen dioxide, so that loss of nitric oxide can be reduced. Cost wise, we can reduce the cost. See, whatever HNO3 obtained is very dilute in nature. So go for fractional distillation. Fractional distillation. This fractional distillation ends with 68% HNO3 and 32% water. Further, simple distillation fails here because in this condition they forms azeotropic mixture. Where is studied this? In the solution chapter. And if you go for precise one, they forms maximum boiling point azeotrope. Because HNO3 and water solution is non-ideal solution with negative deviation. So, non-ideal solution with a negative deviation forms azeotropic mixture with maximum boiling point. What do you mean by maximum boiling point azeotrope? See, if boiling point of the azeotropic mixture is higher than the boiling point of the individual component, then it is azeotropic mixture with maximum boiling point. Not higher, maximum boiling point. If the boiling point of the azeotropic mixture is lesser than the constituent component, then it is minimum boiling point azeotrope. And the minimum boiling point azeotrope will be formed by non-ideal solution with positive deviation. Maximum boiling point azeotrope is formed by non-ideal solution with negative deviation. This is of negative deviation only. Then, how to get from the 68% HNO3, how to get 98% HNO3? What to do is use the dehydrating agent sulfuric acid. When you use the sulfuric acid, then the distillation then I am going to get 98% also. 86% HNO3 is known as fuming nitric acid. Note on this. Nitration will be this one only. Benzene is treated with the fuming nitric acid and the concentrated sulfuric acid. We get nitrobenzene, etc. These are properties. First one, colorless liquid. Freezing point 231 Kelvin. Boiling point is 355.6 Kelvin. HNO3 used in lab is 68% HNO3 and more than 86% HNO3 is there, then it is fuming nitric acid. HNO3, what is the hybridization of the nitrogen here? Number of hybridized orbital is equal to half into valential electron plus number of monovalent atom. And other formula is not necessary because it's a neutral molecule. So half into, in the nitrogen, valential electron is N(S)2 Np3 means only 5. And monovalent is this hydrogen. Oxygen is a divalent, so it is 3. Number of hybridized orbital is 3 when sp2 hybridization is there. So hybridization here is sp2. So what is structure? Planar. Planar structure will be there for this. This happens to be for the HNO2 also, because there also number of monovalent atom is only one only. We ask like this, for the NO3 minus ion, nitrate ion, then it is number of hybridized orbital is equal to half into valential electron plus number of monovalent atom. Then minus charge on the cation plus charge on the anion. So half into valential electron is 5. There is no monovalent atom, so it is 5 plus 0. Then minus charge of the cation is 0, but anion is minus 1. So it is again half into 5 plus 1 only, minus or minus plus. I get 3. Like this also can see sp2 hybridization. See, as I said earlier, since it is a planar because of sp2 here, see this is the structure. And remember here, OH bond length is 96 picometer, ON bond length is 140.6 picometer, NO bond length is 121 picometer. Then HON bond angle is 102, whereas ONO bond angle is 130 degrees Celsius, not Celsius, 130 degree. HNO3 exists with a resonance form also. These are the two resonance forms also. See, if this shift here, then this will shift here. This structure will be there. Okay? So resonance structure is possible for nitric acid.